Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add someone to your Sam's Club membership. Really easy and simple. Just go ahead and assign in to your online account, right? And under the account page, right, you'll see the membership section. You can go ahead and tap on that, and then you want to select the additional card holders option. And then choose add or edit, basically a complimentary or, add-on card holder. So add-ons can only be added to an account basically 31 days or more before the membership renewal date. And then just enter the required information, click on save. And the browser will basically return you to the My membership summary page, and then just review your changes. Okay? Really, really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided a value to you. And if it did, consider smashing the like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.